Alrighty guys, so it's another day, if you guys can't tell. I went to a place called Ababa Bolt. It's over here in San Marcos. I basically got a riveting tool right here, and then I got these cap screws and aluminum riv nuts right here. Cost came out to be like $30 for just the bolts and screws and stuff, and then for the riveter itself was $66. I figured it'd be a good thing to do, just figure it out and just chill out the extra buck, because otherwise I could do like a hand riveter or something with the screw or something, and it was 25 bucks, and I was like, I'd rather just spend the extra money and get the actual tool. Alrighty guys, you guys are going to be figuring it out just like I am with this riveter thing, so wish me the best of luck, and you guys will see if I screw up. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is line it up to the best of your abilities. Essentially just line it up and then just drill the holes, and I'm going to get back to you after I drill the hole because I need both hands for this. Alrighty guys, I just marked the first hole. I'm just going to drill right in, and there we go. Oh. Essentially, the way the guy explained it to me is that you somehow one sec. So you somehow screw this rivet on, then just take it, push it in the hole. Instead you squeeze the handle and get more leverage, better leverage with that. Did I do it? It seems solid. I mean, I think it's supposed to be flush, and I pulled out part of it, but I mean, I'll take it. Then you just grab your little nut. Now I'm gonna assume that you just screw it in, maybe? It's screwing in, so that's good news. This one up here next. Sorry I don't have a good thing, but I'm just gonna drill right there and see. Kinda got a little carried away. Just finished this and the other fender on the front, so looks pretty good. Originally there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mounting points, and I added a couple extra just to make it more secure, that it doesn't bounce around and stuff. So when I get this one on, I think I should do one more right there, but it's looking really good, guys. Have the front mounted as well, so I'm gonna have to mount this one. I don't have the front bumper on, but everything's looking pretty good, coming along well, guys. Just finished mounting this side. Just have the front one up here, and then we'll be good to go. Alrighty guys, got that one and that one mounted. Just have to do this one down here. Make sure it's flush. Sorry if I'm brief, guys. My battery is extremely low, so I'm hoping it's not dying on me. I'm trying to get through this on this battery. Get back to you guys in a sec. Alrighty guys, there's the end look. really digging how wide it is actually. So, slightly wider than the mirror. It's really good. Can't wait to get my wheels in from Sheldon. At Mr. Sheldy, I'll insert him here. But this is where I got all the kit and the wheels from. So hit up Mr. Sheldy if you want to buy any of his parts, I guess. Everything here is pretty nice. I'm liking it, guys. It's a process, but I'll see you guys in our next video. Okay, guys, guess it's time to end it.